Imagine walking into a courtroom, ready to take charge of justice, but before you even speak, the judge looks down on you and says in a sharp voice, "Step back, cleaner, this place isn't for you." It was an ordinary morning at the county courthouse, the air heavy with silence as people filled the room. The judge, an older white man, carried himself with arrogance, his robe flowing as he sat in his chair, looking over the courtroom with pride. Among the crowd stood a tall black man, dressed neatly in a clean suit holding a briefcase. He carried himself with calm dignity. Yet to the judge's eyes, he looked out of place, someone who didn't belong. Without hesitation, the judge pointed at him and barked, "You there, move back. Cleaners and staff must stay out of my sight." The courtroom froze, eyes shifting from the judge to the man he insulted. Whispers began to rise, but the man remained calm, his expression steady, showing no anger. No panic, only patience. The judge grew louder, his voice echoing across the wooden benches. "Didn't you hear me? Step back. You don't belong here." For a moment, the silence became unbearable, everyone waiting for the man's reaction. Finally, he raised his head and spoke with a calm but powerful voice. "Your Honor, with all respect, I am not a cleaner. I am the new district attorney. Appointed yesterday and starting today, I will be working in this very courtroom by your side." The words cut through the air like a knife. Gasps filled the room and all eyes widened in shock. The arrogance drained from the judge's face as his pride shattered. The very man he had tried to humiliate was now the most powerful prosecutor in the county. The silence broke into murmurs of disbelief, some nodding with admiration, others whispering about the judge's downfall. The judge, who moments earlier towered with pride, now sat frozen in shame, realizing the weight of his mistake. The black man stood tall, not out of revenge, but with the dignity of a leader who carried the truth with him. And the final twist came when the district attorney turned to the courtroom and added, "This will not be the last time we meet, Your Honor. But next time, it will not be as colleagues, it may be across from each other." The crowd erupted. The message was clear. Never judge a person by appearance. Never let arrogance blind respect, because dignity and power can belong to anyone, no matter their color or status. If you found this story powerful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that keep you thinking till the very end.